Imagine stepping into a world where everything feels alive. You instantly spot quests waiting to be completed, rewards are ready to be earned, and other players sharing funny, chaotic moments that make the experience unforgettable. That kind of energy pulls you in and keeps you coming back. Retention isn't just a metric, it's the heartbeat of a thriving world. When players return, it means your design is working. It means they're finding value, excitement, and connection. And the more they engage, the more your world grows through word of mouth, visibility, and community. Hi creators, I'm Alexia, and in this video, we're going to explore how to build worlds that keep players engaged and coming back for more. We'll look at how world building can guide players into exploration and social play, making your space feel alive and interactive. You'll learn how to design quest systems that balance quick wins with long-term goals, so players feel rewarded right away, but also have something to work toward. We'll also talk about how to make co-presence feel meaningful, which means that when other players are around, they can actually add to the fun instead of just blending into the background. And finally, we'll cover how to track retention metrics, figure out what's working, and use that data to make smart improvements over time. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to turn your world into a place that players can't wait to visit again and again. The way your world is laid out shapes how long players stay and what they choose to do. Good world building isn't just about visuals, it's about flow, accessibility, and making sure the fun is easy to find. Design spaces that guide players naturally. Central hubs with paths leading to activities keep energy high and reduce downtime. Important features should always be visible from where players spawn or gather, so no one misses them. Most players are on mobile, so keep key interaction points close together. Avoid long travel times or oversized maps. Make sure signage and visual cues are clear and easy to read on small screens. And remember, your core gameplay shouldn't only feel fun in VR. The moment-to-moment play needs to be just as engaging on mobile, so players stay hooked no matter how they have access to your world. Worlds should encourage players to bump into each other in ways that add to the fun, not just coexist. Meaningful co-presence means designing activities where other players make the experience better. Think chaotic and playful, like cooking together in a pizza kitchen, or stealing a brain rot, or joining a spin the bottle moment, rather than isolated or parallel play. Quests are the backbone of engagement. They give players goals, structure their time, and provide reasons to come back. The trick is balancing quick wins with long-term progression, so there's always something to look forward to. Daily quests and small tasks keep players motivated day to day, while longer arcs or seasonal rewards build anticipation. This mix creates steady engagement and ensures players feel rewarded no matter how much time they have. Not every player is motivated by the same thing. Some love challenges, some love stories, others want social fun. Offering different quest types, combat, collection, co-op, or story-driven keeps the experience fresh. Make participation easy with nonverbal systems like emotes, animations, or environmental triggers, so even players who don't want to use voice chat feel included. Seasonal quests or limited time events spark urgency. Exclusive cosmetics or rewards tied to these events give players a reason to log in right now instead of later. Just be sure the rewards feel worth the effort, or you risk disappointing your community. To make sure these incentives resonate, it's important to track engagement. You can do that by focusing on 3 simple numbers. The first one is DAU, or daily active users. This just means who's logging in each day. The second metric is return rate, so who comes back after their first visit. And lastly, quest completion rates. In other words, which activities players start and finish. These metrics reveal the heartbeat of your world. If players quit before finishing a quest or ignore certain areas, that's a signal. Look for friction like unclear objectives, long downtime, or rewards that don't feel worth it. Retention improves through small, steady tweaks. Adjust quest rewards, tighten layouts, or add new social hooks. Then check your metrics again. Over time, you'll see what sticks and what doesn't. Data isn't just about the numbers, it's feedback that helps you shape a better player experience. Strong retention is built on 3 key pillars. First, your world should invite players into a sense of flow, encouraging exploration and creating moments where being around others feels meaningful. Second, your quest systems need to strike a balance. Daily wins keep things fresh, while long-term goals and seasonal hooks give players a reason to keep coming back. And third, you need a feedback loop. Tracking your data helps you understand what's working and where to improve. When you bring all of these elements together, you are instilling habits, and those habits are what turn casual visitors into regulars who return again and again. As you build, keep asking yourself, does my world make it easy to find the fun? Are quests rewarding in both the short and long term? Am I learning from the data to make things better? If the answer is yes, you're on your way to building a world that lasts. To learn more, check out the resources linked in the description. And join the Meta Horizon Creator Program to share experiences and get help when needed. See you in Worlds!